get a bill.
Hello, Barasa. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
So, what your take on the judgment given by Omotosho to Nnamdi Kanu yesterday? Sentencing Nnamdi Kanu to death. Do you think it really worth it?
Well, I wouldn't go into the integrity of facts and evidence led because I wasn't part of the proceedings counsel in the matter. But let me go straight to the elementary aspect of the law. The elementary aspect of the law requires that where a defendant is charged for a capital offense of which terrorism falls under,
Yes.
the law requires that such a defendant must be represented throughout the trial by a legal practitioner.
Yes.
Along the line, it appeared that, will I say that the defendant was witty. He
Yes.
outwitted the judge. He told him, I don't need a lawyer. I want to defend myself. And the judge allowed it. It is not the law. It is not proper. Where he says, I don't need a lawyer, the court could have gone further, would have gone further to ask him, are you not comfortable with this set of lawyers?
Yes.
If you are not, okay, I'll give you the so and so period for you to find other lawyers
To represent you.
that can represent you, another lawyer that can do it. And where he fails to, the law gives the court the right to impose a lawyer on him.
Really?
This time, it's not a lawyer of his choice, but a lawyer imposed on him by the court. But in all these things, the court did not
Look that
do
way.
this part.
Yes.
Apparently, the judge may have felt that I have given him fair hearing.
Yes.
I have given him the right to. It doesn't lie in the mouth of the defendant to say I don't need a he doesn't construe the proceedings. So somehow, either by design or default,
Yes.
he has made the judge to go against the law. If you go on appeal with these facts, with this point, there is not, they call the appellate court, if they want to be fair, they won't even go to the nitty-gritty of facts led and whatever. They will push the judgment straight ahead because terrorism, being a capital offense, requires that the defendant must be represented by a counsel.
The counsel, yes.
It follows, even if the defendant is even a lawyer by himself, he ought to be represented. Somebody ought to air his position from the legal angle.
Yeah, from the legal angle.
The judge, well, that's the level of people we have now, decided to do otherwise. I wouldn't know what, but as far as I'm concerned, that judgment already has
a faulty beginning.
has a faulty foundation,
Yes.
which our legal system cannot
Accommodate along the line.
uphold or
Yes.
support. So that's my own take. That's from the angle I see it. Me too. I prosecute cases, so I know what it requires in such circumstances.
You see, nobody looked in that direction. In this direction, nobody
That's
even
what
talked
I'm
about
telling you.
it.
Apparently, the judge felt that I have given him fair hearing. Yes, fair hearing is a fundamental requirement.
Yes.
But this is an express demand by the law. The law knows that, okay, even if there is no lawyer, a defendant can.
Yes.
But the law made it imperative when it comes to capital offenses.
You come to capital offenses. Yes.
If it is a simple offense, ordinary stealing, maybe fighting, one thing or the other that grants even advance fee for, you can defend yourself. You can say, I want to defend myself, and the court will allow it because there is no requirement. But this one is when we talk of capital offense, we are talking of offenses that can lead to death sentence.
Yes, he's supposed to.
So when it comes to that, it is the requirement of the law, which the court has no right to gloss over.
Well,
He has done that. So the court too did not follow the law.
well, it's true. Let's watch what is going to happen at the appeal.
Let's see what will pan out at the court of appeal.
Yes.
But I know that on a very good ground, the judgment is a nullity.
All right. Thank you for your time.
You are welcome.
Thank you.